forward, these are some of the tools which are used with ethical hacking. So we have listed out many of the tools here. Some of the important tools here are this one, Nmap. Nmap here stands for Network Mapper. It is an open source tool that is used widely for network discovery and security auditing. Nmap was originally designed to scan large networks, but now it can also work for a single host. And this is a very good tool for you to figure out what kind of services are available, what kind of ports are open, what kind of services are being managed by the computer, and all those kind of things you can easily do with the Nmap. The second tool, which is a very good one with the ethical hacker, is Metasploit. Metasploit is one of the most powerful exploiting tools. This tool is available from a company which is known as Rapid7, and you can see that they have two versions. One is commercial and one is free. You can easily work with the free one, which is available in the command line. This can also be used with the GUI, and Metasploit can perform basic penetration testing and also spot some kind of checks and exploitability for vulnerabilities. It can be used to discover the network or import scan data. It can also browse exploit modules, run individual exploit on host, and different other things. Currently, this Metasploit is hosting almost 2000 plus vulnerabilities, known vulnerabilities throughout the world. So if you are using Metasploit, you can easily scan for those 2000 plus known vulnerabilities. Another important tool which as an ethical hacker you will be working with is known as Burpsuit. Burpsuit is very similar to Wireshark, if you have previously seen that. Burpsuit is mainly used for tracking and tracing your requests and responses between the servers and the client. And this is a very popular platform that is widely used for performing security testing of web applications. So whenever you will have web applications, you might be working with either the Burpsuit or the Wireshark. And this tool itself has a complete, you can say, complete collection of multiple tools which you can use for the entire testing process. It can be used for initial mapping, analysis of the application, attack surveys, and finding and exploiting security vulnerabilities. And it's very easy to use, it's very easy to configure, and you will actually enjoy working with the Burpsuit. These are some other tools which you can also use. Another one is known as a SQL Map. SQL Map is also a very good tool which is mainly used for the databases, and this is used for exploiting database vulnerabilities. And this one is used for scanning all the databases and seeing what kind of SQL vulnerabilities you might face with the database. It's a very good tool if you have web applications, and there you can easily use this kind of tool to scan across the various vulnerabilities with the database. Another one which is a good one is EtherCap. EtherCap is the full form for this is actually Ethernet Capture, and this is a network security tool which acts as a man in the middle. So whatever you are trying to send, this tool will actually help in sniffing off the live connections and also see the content filtering on the fly and do some kind of interesting tricks with the content. So you will learn these once you go with the complete ethical hacking course and learn more about ethical hacking and the processes. But these are some of the tools which are very prominent and used very heavily under the ethical hacking domain.